In this video, we will install the Metamask extension for the browser. First of all, let us try to understand what is Metamask. So Metamask is a crypto wallet and a gateway to various kinds of blockchain apps and decentralized smart contracts. So you can start exploring the blockchain application in seconds using the Metamask wallet. So Metamask is a trusted wallet and it is used by over 21 million users worldwide. So you can see that how many people have already accepted and trusted this MetaMask wallet for building and scaling various kinds of smart contracts. Not only that, you can also buy and sell cryptocurrencies using the MetaMask. You can import and export various kinds of wallets. You can also import the data from your hardware wallet. So what can you do using MetaMask? You can buy, store, send, and swap various kinds of tokens using this MetaMask wallet. So it is available as a browser extension as well as a mobile application. And MetaMask will help you with a key vault, a secure login, and a token wallet where you can store various accounts that you are using for various kinds of services. For example, if you are building a smart contract, you can create that smart contract on the MetaMask on some kind of testnet or a localhost account. If you want to securely send cryptocurrencies from your wallet to someone else's wallet, for that also you can use MetaMask. You can also buy and sell NFTs using the MetaMask extension. So everything that you need to manage your digital assets, your tokens, your cryptocurrencies, MetaMask will take care of everything. You can explore blockchain applications. So MetaMask will provide the simplest as well as the most secure way to connect to blockchain-based applications on various blockchain virtual machines. For example, the Ethereum virtual machine, the Bitcoin protocol, the Solana protocol, the Chainlink protocol, and various other blockchain protocols and associated tokens. Then, apart from that, you are always in control as to when you are interacting on the decentralized web. So you are in complete control of your account. You have the access to private key, and if you keep it secure and safely with you, nobody else can hack into your MetaMask wallet. So MetaMask will generate passwords and keys on your device, so only you have access to your accounts and the data. And you will always choose what to share and what to keep private based on your preferences. So now let us download this MetaMask extension for the Google Chrome. So go to Google Chrome and type MetaMask extension for Chrome. The first link will be directed to the MetaMask extensions. So under the Chrome Web Store, there will be an option to add this MetaMask extension to your Google Chrome web browser. So over here, you can see the overview of MetaMask. For example, it is an Ethereum wallet in our browser. So MetaMask is an extension for accessing Ethereum-enabled distributed applications or dApps, decentralized applications, which we can test the functionality on into our browser only. So we don't need to go to any other place. Right after opening our browser, we will be getting this MetaMask extension where we can test the various smart contracts. We can deploy them to the local host, to Ethereum testnet, and also to the Ethereum mainnet once we finalize the production environment. So this extension is injecting the Web 3.0 API into every website's JavaScript context so that dApps can read from the blockchain directly available on the website. And MetaMask also lets the user to create and manage their own identities via various private keys and a local client wallet as well as hardware wallets like Trezor. So when a dApp wants to perform a transaction and write to a certain blockchain, for example, the Ethereum blockchain or the Bitcoin blockchain or the Solana blockchain, the user can get a secure interface to review that transaction. So in the web portal itself, a secure user interface will open up, a pop-up will open up where you can approve or disapprove a particular transaction. If you don't trust the transaction, then you can automatically reject the transaction and it will not be carried away. And it is adding basically a functionality to a normal browser. So because it is adding a functionality to a regular web browser, MetaMask will require permission to read and write to any given web page. So you can always view the source of the MetaMask the way any other web or Chrome extension works. Or you can also view the source code of MetaMask on the GitHub. So there is a link provided, https github.com/metamask /metamask plugin. This MetaMask can give us access to so many things, right? For example, it will give us access to the Web 3.0. Apart from that, it will give us the access to interact and communicate with various decentralized applications called as dApps. It will also give us the functionality to interact and mint various kinds of NFTs, the non-fungible tokens. So NFTs is what we will be using mostly for this project. Apart from that, if you want to mint new cryptocurrencies, if you want to create your own cryptocurrencies, you can access the ERC20 protocol. ERC20 protocol is the built-in protocol which is used to make or mint new types of digital currencies or cryptocurrencies. Apart from that, you can also interact with various kinds of tokens which are built under the various blockchain protocol. For example, the Ethereum blockchain has a token whose name is Ether, right? So apart from that, you can also participate in initial coin offerings. So whenever a new cryptocurrency needs a funding from the public, it will offer something called as initial coin offering. ICO is similar to the IPOs, initial public offering. Whenever a company or a stock wants to get some kind of funding from the public, they will initiate something called as an IPO. In an IPO, any private organization or a company can go public. It can secure funding or investment from the general public as well as various kinds of mutual funds or hedge funds. Similar to that, anybody who is trying to come up with a new idea in the blockchain space who wants to get some kind of funding can raise this initial coin offering and they can sell some of their cryptos and divest some of their cryptos to the general public in exchange for money. Then apart from that, we also have ERC721 and many more features available in the MetaMask. So now I will click on add to Chrome. I will click on add extension. So now you can see that MetaMask has been added to Chrome. Now you can start interacting with the MetaMask. First of all, it will give this message, welcome to MetaMask, where you have this logo of a fox. Click on get started. Now, if you are using this MetaMask for the first time, you need to create a new wallet. But on the other hand, if you already have a wallet with you, then you can import the wallet as well. Since I am using this for the first time, I will click on create a wallet. Now there will be some instructions. I'll click on I agree. You have to give the password which is used to log into this MetaMask. So I will give the password. Then you need to type confirm password. Then I will click on I have read and agreed to terms and condition and I'll click on create. So there will be a short demo video about secret key and secret recovery phase. Let us click on next. Now this is a very important step. This is the secret recovery phase. So your secret recovery phase is used to get back the access to a particular wallet. For some reason, if you are not able to get access to a particular wallet, if you have the access to the secret recovery phase from any part of the world, you can get back the access to that wallet. But for that, it is very important that you know the recovery phrase in the secret key. And there is a warning displayed as you can see, never disclose your secret recovery phase. Anyone with this phrase can take your ether forever. So if by any chance you lose or someone else steals your secret recovery phase, they can steal all your ether or any cryptocurrency or assets that you're storing inside this wallet. So this should always be private and it should always be to you only. Only you should have the access for this particular data. Now I click on reveal secret words. So you can see that it is giving me this particular type of words. I will click on next. Now you need to type the words in the order or the sequence in which they were generated during the secret recovery phase. So the first word that was generated was gown. So I'll click on gown, then icon, then fiber, mango, link, winner, lock, alter, ankle, dynamic, invite, and false. I click on confirm, and now I have successfully got the access to my account. I'll click on all done, and now you can see that my account number one has opened up. This account has this particular address, so you can copy this account address to the clipboard. This is basically the public address of the account. So there are two different kinds of addresses or the keys. This is the public key. Anybody on the blockchain can see your public key. And if you want to send transactions or send some kind of asset to someone, that person needs to verify your public key as well. So you can always keep this public key public, and you want to share this with as many people as you want so that they can interact with you on a peer-to-peer basis. There is another concept called as private key, which we will discuss in the upcoming videos. But right now, all we need to know is that for someone to identify you on the blockchain, they can directly identify you by using your public key. So public key is used to identify you as a unique entity on any blockchain. This is the Ethereum mainnet. So this address or the public key is with reference to the Ethereum mainnet. So there can be many networks like this. So on the MetaMask, you can add various kinds of networks. Right now, I have the access to Ethereum mainnet. So you can see I have 0 ETH. So by default, there is no Ether in my account. If you want to buy Ether or send Ether, you can use it using this portal. There is the assets tab where you can see the various assets you own. And in the activities, it will list all the previous or historical transactions that you have made using the MetaMask. So we have now created a MetaMask. In the future and the upcoming videos, we'll try to interact more and more with this MetaMask wallet, and we'll try to securely make various kinds of transactions on the Ethereum testnet or the local host. And finally, this particular MetaMask can also be used if you want to interact with the Ethereum mainnet. So you can see there is the option for Ethereum mainnet. Like this, we'll be working with various kinds of testnet accounts. The most frequently used one, which we'll be using for this particular course, is the localhost in the hard hat framework.